We'll guide you through how to post multiple photos on an Instagram story with one song. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram. So you've got multiple photos you wish to go and post onto your story with one song. Make sure this full guide, as there are different ways you can go about it depending upon the look you want to go and get. So to go and get started, you want to come onto Instagram and we need to go and head to the top left. So I'm currently on my profile page, as you can see, and you want to go to the top left and find the plus button. You want to tap there. This opens up this create list and we can go and see the different options here. What you want to do is go and select story. Now to go and maximize the options you've got, press the camera icon in the top left there. So what you can do is you can go and choose the background if you want to go and have one. You can go and take a photo now or choose them from your gallery. Alternatively, you can go and press the arrow over to the left. You can go and press on create, and there you can go and choose a solid color background. For example, you could go and have a gradient or just a solid color. And what you could do is go and choose a layout as well if you want to go make a collage. So let's say layout. Then you can go and press change grid over to the left and choose the look you want. Then you can go and take photos now or open up your gallery in the bottom left. Choose a photo you want to use. Press it again, choose another. Then you can press it again and go and choose another. So you go and get the idea there. Alternatively, what we can do is if I go and close off this, press the plus again in the top left, then you can press story. Then what you can do is open up the camera again. And as I said, you can go and press create over to the left. Then you can go and choose the color in the bottom right, as you can see, if you want a certain background. But also you can just go and use this option. So choose any color. Then you can go and press the 2 A's. Now we can start adding multiple photos. You can press stickers in the top right and you want to go and press photo. Choose a photo you want. So you could still have this as your main background like so. Then you can press the sticker button in the top right and start adding more photos. Or alternatively, what you can do is go and resize this to your liking. You can go and tap on it to go and change the framing of it. As you can see, you can tap through all these different options. Then what you can do is go and choose where you want to go and place it by tapping, holding and dragging. We can press the sticker button again in the top right and press photo. Choose another one you want. I won't use the same one there. Let me go and choose a different one. Once again, you can keep tapping it till you get the framing you want. And you can then go and resize it to your liking. And then you can go and click, hold and drag and position it where you want it to be. And we can go and keep on repeating that, as you can see. So keep doing this until you've gone and added the photos you want. Now what we can do is we can go and add in a music by going over to the top right and you can press the music button. Then you can go and scroll through here, search, look at trending and find the song you want. So I could go and use this one here, for example, press the arrow in the bottom right and you can go and choose the section you want to go and use. Choose the length you want over to the left. I can go make this longer. Press done. And at the top here, choose if you want to have the lyrics or the cover. I don't want anything, so I'll press the cross and then we can go and press done. And that's it. You've now added a song and you can of course add more stickers, add text. And when you're ready, press your story in the bottom left. What we can then do is go and open up our story and you can go and see there it is.